Welcome to Novexora Tech. Smart tech, honest reviews, better choices.
Imagine wearing a pair of glasses that can record videos, take photos, translate languages, recognize objects, and even assist you with artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, technology has reached a point where devices like these AI smart glasses are turning that vision into reality. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most interesting wearable gadgets of 2026. Let's see what these smart glasses can actually do.
At first glance, these may look like ordinary glasses, but hidden inside the frame are multiple advanced technologies. These smart glasses feature a built-in camera, Bluetooth connectivity, open-ear audio, AI-powered assistance, object recognition, and real-time translation capabilities. Instead of constantly reaching for your smartphone, many everyday tasks can now be performed directly through your glasses. This creates a more natural and hands-free experience.
One of the biggest highlights of these smart glasses is the built-in 4K camera. Unlike traditional cameras, these glasses allow you to capture moments directly from your own perspective. Whether you're traveling, exploring a new city, hiking, cycling, or simply recording daily experiences, everything can be captured hands-free. This first-person point of view creates a more immersive experience and makes recording easier than ever.
Language barriers can often make traveling difficult. This is where real-time translation becomes extremely valuable. Imagine visiting a country where you don't understand the local language. Instead of constantly opening translation apps on your phone, these smart glasses aim to assist you instantly. The glasses can help translate conversations and improve communication in real-world situations. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a part of everyday life. These smart glasses include an AI assistant designed to provide information and support through voice interaction. Need a quick answer? Want information about a location? Looking for assistance while walking? Instead of reaching for your phone, you can simply interact with the AI assistant directly through the glasses. Unlike traditional earbuds, these glasses use open-ear audio technology. This means you can listen to music, calls, or notifications without completely blocking your ears. The benefit is simple. You remain aware of your surroundings while still enjoying audio content. This can be especially useful when walking, exercising, commuting, or traveling. Another impressive feature is object recognition. Using AI-powered visual processing, these smart glasses can identify certain objects and provide useful information about them. Although this technology is still evolving, it demonstrates how artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly integrated into everyday devices. Let's quickly summarize. Pros include a built-in 4K camera, real-time translation, AI assistance, open-ear audio, and hands-free convenience. On the other hand, battery performance may vary depending on usage, and some AI features may depend on software updates and connectivity. Overall, these AI smart glasses offer a fascinating look at the future of wearable technology. The combination of 4K recording, AI-powered assistance, translation capabilities, object recognition, and open-ear audio creates a unique experience that goes far beyond ordinary eyewear. If you're interested in cutting-edge gadgets and future technology, these smart glasses are definitely worth exploring. What do you think about AI smart glasses? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology reviews and gadget discoveries.